Tutorial 5. Making the dress form. Part 2. So, our dress form is nearly finished. You can trim the extra 7 millimeters off the back piece. The dress form is already good enough to be wrapped in film. I take wrapping film and start wrapping the semi-finished dress form in it. Then, I take packaging tape and tape the dress form to secure the film and achieve a smooth surface. The surface of the dress is now even and smooth.